You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a French name, famous for being the name of a French fashion designer. For more French pronunciation, including luxury brand names, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more, a lot to learn on this channel. French pronunciation. Courrèges, courrèges, courrèges. There's no stress on any particular syllable in French, so don't worry too much about this. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say Courrèges, André Courrèges, or André Courrèges. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.